Hey fellow investors and fellow stock guardians, it's Tuesday, January 26, 2021. I'm Hoda, co-founder and CEO of StockCard, reporting to you from the new battleground called the stock market. Yes, I called the stock market a battleground because of what's happening with GameStop's stock. Shares of GameStop were up by almost 200% in another surreal battle day and drama between retail investors, short sellers, hedge funds, and Wall Street media. If you don't know what's happening, let me give you a quick recap. Retail investors on one of Reddit's subthreads decided to coordinate their efforts to prop up GameStop's stock price after they noticed how heavily the stock was shorted by institutional short sellers. They knew that if they could move the stock price up a little bit, the so-called short squeeze would force institutional short sellers to buy the stock to cover their shares and consequently pushes the stock price even higher. In the process, they almost brought down an institutional short seller called Melvin Capital, who had shorted the stock heavily, and it was forced to raise more than $2.7 billion from Point72 and Citadel hedge funds to stay afloat after the incidents of short squeeze. The media did what it does best and fanned the fire, and finally today, the one man who shouldn't have gotten involved got involved and blew up the drama into a full-on battleground, the stock market style. If you're wondering what to do now, the best thing we can do is to let the drama pan out without getting involved. Yes, there is the talk of crazy return, and Reddit bros are sharing how much money they have made and loans are being paid by the proceeds of the drama, but it is too good to be true. It's a volatile situation that could end really badly for people get involved, and don't be surprised that some legal intervention would follow this episode. If you want my opinion, stay away. Full disclosure though, I have one share of GameStop that I received as a free bonus when I signed up for Robinhood. I'm not planning to sell it, and I almost want to keep it as a reminder of the drama that is panning out before our eyes today. Now that we got that drama out of the way, let's go back to the overall market where all three indices ended the day in the red. But it seems the market is recovering in the after-hour trading, fueled by a strong earnings report from Microsoft and the anticipation of similar performance by big tech, namely Facebook, Apple, and Tesla. If you go to StockCard and visit the earnings calendar tab on the Discover page, you can see the week is sprinkled with heavyweights earning reports. It's going to be quite an interesting few days as we hear and read about these coming earning reports. Yesterday, we talked about the launch of the plant-based products list of stocks on the StockCard's feature tab. Sitting on top of the list is Beyond Meat, whose shares were up more than 17%. Today's price jump is well-deserved. The company announced a joint venture with PepsiCo to bring new plant-based protein to the world. This is quite interesting. Not only does it confirm that the plant-based movement is just at its early innings, it also gives Beyond Meat what it needed the most: manufacturing capacity and distribution around the world to take its product worldwide. If you don't have a plant-based stock watch list, I highly recommend you consider creating one. The future of food is being shaped as we speak. Because the overall market indices finished the day in the red, it's not surprising to see quite a few tech and gene editing stocks lost some value today. Among the losers, a few interesting tickers were PayPal, Square, Quidel, EA, and Activision Blizzard that were down between 2 to 5% on Tuesday. These are all well-managed companies worth watching in case the stock price fall continues in the next few days. As always, if you like to use the Stock Card VIP to research as many stocks as you'd want and follow successful investors' portfolios, including my windmill strategy and roll with our CEO portfolios, use promo code roll with our CEO, all lowercase and in one word. You also get a 14-day free trial, and then you get the exclusive discount that comes with this promo code. That's it for today. If you like these quick market recap reports directly from my daily stock market research, please like and subscribe and share with your fellow investors. I'll see you tomorrow.